Hello, this is Rika, an electric workshop learning guide. Today's lesson is about simple application through overcurrent relay, magnetic contactor and PLC. There is a PLC input-output part on the right side of the screen and a time chart for PLC operation below. Look at PLC I/O. The inputs have push buttons PB4, PB5. Push button PB4 is the start button and push button PB5 is the stop button. And there is an EOCR that receives a signal when the overcurrent relay operates at the P3 PLC contact point. At the output, there are PL4, PL5, PL6 lamps, and below that, there is a power relay that is a PR magnetic contactor. Now, learn about the time chart configuration below. It operates when there is no overcurrent relay EOCR signal. When the user presses push button PB4, the PL4 lamp repeats with a cycle of 3 seconds, on for 2 seconds and off for 1 second. And the PL5 lamp repeats with a cycle of 3 seconds, off for 2 seconds, and on for 1 second. The PL6 lamp continues to light after 2 seconds after the user presses the push button PB4. The motor operates according to the PR power relay signal. Here, the magnetic contactor PR repeats the cycle of 5 seconds, operation of 4 seconds and stopping of operation of 1 second. When the user presses push button PB5 or the overcurrent relay EOCR signal is received, all operations are stopped. Now, let's look at each PLC wiring configuration part and PLC ladder part. We will also check the behavior of the given ladder results emulator and look at the results in our simulation.
Input on. Wiring breaker. Press the button. PB4. Release the button. PB4. Press the button. PB5. Release the button. PB5. Press the button. PB4. Release the button. PB4. Overcurrent relay trip generation. Overcurrent relay trip release. Press the button. PB4. Release the button. PB4. Press the button. PB5. Release the button. PB5. Input off. Wiring breaker. Input on. Wiring breaker. Press the button. PB4. Release the button. PB4. Press the button. Key B5. Release the button. Key B5. Press the button. PB4. Release the button. PB4. Overcurrent relay trip generation. Overcurrent relay trip release. Press the button. PB4. Release the button. PB4. Press the button. Key B5. Release the button. Key B5. Input off. Wiring breaker.
Thank you for watching. Check out the subscription and the like button. We will make more and more learning videos. Any other questions would be appreciated if you leave them in the comments below the video. We wish you a nice day.